Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing 5 reasons why I stopped using relaxers on my hair even before I knew they were very dangerous to the health. Yes, relaxers are very dangerous to your health. According to recent research, it can cause kidney injury, increase your risk of having breast cancers. It can also increase your risk of having cervical or ovarian cancer. It can increase your risk of having fibroid. It just has a lot of risk factors. But if you want to read more on this review, just click on the link in my description box. I'm going to be leaving it over there so that you can head over there and read more on the dangers of relaxers to your health. And it baffles me why a lot of naturals are going back to relaxers. So now let's get back to my personal reasons why I stopped using relaxer, and I hope somebody can relate and leave that in the comment section. The reasons why I stopped using relaxers on my hair was because after every relaxer I would have sore on my scalp. I don't know if anybody experienced this, but this was my own side of the story. And sometimes the hairdressers will just tell me, oh, you haven't found the perfect relaxer that fits your scalp, you haven't found the perfect relaxer for your hair, maybe that is why. Or sometimes they say, oh, because you have been itching your scalp, that is why you are sore. And it just doesn't make sense why I have to have sore on my scalp anytime I relax my hair. So I stopped relaxing very often. I started relaxing my hair like twice a year just because of the sore I constantly got from relaxer, and even let my hair stay dirty. Stopped itching my scalp whenever I knew I was going to relax my hair, but it still didn't help or change anything about it. Another reason why relaxers were not the best for me was that relaxer was an illusion to me. Even though relaxers made managing of hair very easy, but it was also not true that it made it easy, because after about a month or two, new growth will start coming out, and those new growths were very difficult to manage with the relaxed part, and this will always require you to go and get another relaxers on for your hair to be easy to manage. Because I waited 6 months before I relaxed my hair, it was very difficult, and it always felt like I was natural. And sometimes I ask myself, what is the need of trying to hold on to relaxed hair when it wasn't serving me? It was part of the reasons why when I started thinking of going natural, it was easier for me to just consider. Then another thing that I hate about relaxed hair is the fact that after a period of time, your hair starts getting weak and dead. The first months you relax your hair looks so beautiful, good, and very lush. After about 2-3 years of being relaxed, your hair starts changing color, it starts getting weaker, it starts getting fragile. It just starts becoming something that you truly do not want to show off, and then your hair starts breaking, which is something relaxer does to your hair. And being that some hairdressers do not know how to use relaxers on relaxed hair, it makes it very difficult for you to maintain healthy relaxed hair, because they keep on relaxing those parts that have been relaxed, bringing it to the point where it keeps getting damaged and cannot be salvaged. So I just hate the fact that when someone packs up their natural hair, their relaxed hair, you just get a very tiny puff at the tip of it. It don't make it look very I could get better when it is my natural hair. Like when you pack your natural hair, you know that feel. The thing I hate about being relaxed is the fact that it is permanent. Like any part of your hair that you've relaxed can never and will never go back to natural. It's not like natural hair, like when you stretch out your natural hair and you pour water on it, it goes back to natural. So relaxing your hair means your hair is now permanently stretched out, permanently dead. Like that's how I see relaxed hair. I just see like, oh, this hair is dead, that your hair is permanently gone. Like that was one thing I never liked about being relaxed, the fact that it is permanent. It's not something that can be undone anytime soon. It's one of those things I don't like about relaxed hair. Thing that I hated about relaxed hair or about relaxing my hair was the way hairdressers handled my hair during the relaxing period. Oh my god, the way they handle my hair during the period when they want to relax my hair is something that still gives me an ache even till today. The way they combed out the hair and made it look as if the comb was the only solution to getting that relaxer into your hair strands is something that I detest and I hated so much. Being under a hairdresser and she will have to rub it on your scalp and then use a very tiny comb running through your hair was something I did not like. I hated that about relaxing my hair. And then the experience I had with the hairdresser that almost pulled out all my hair literally from my scalp, and I saw all my hair on the floor. I'm like, no, I'm not doing this anymore. So these were the first reasons that just moved me out of being relaxed. Finding out later that relaxers were very dangerous to the health now made it a seal for me. Like, I keep telling people that instead of relaxing my hair, I would rather barb it, like cut it off. Instead of relaxing my hair, I would rather cut it off. After going through and through, making research and seeing all the health damage that being relaxed can do to your health, I decided to just stay natural. It's one of the best decisions I have made for myself. It gives me varieties, it gives me option. I could wear my hair stretched out, I could wear it in braids, in cornrows. I could just do anything I want with my hair. I could still braid it, I could still wear a wig on it. It just gives varieties of choice to whatever you want to do with your hair. And I hope with this video somebody is considering to go natural. And in my channel I have many tips and tricks that can help you grow long natural and healthy natural hair. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have similar experience, why did you decide to go natural? What were the challenges you were having relaxing your hair? Can you just leave it in the comment section so we can discuss over there?